How to apply for Medicare on your phone in Australia. Hi and welcome. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to apply Medicare using your phone in Australia. Start by downloading the Express Plus Medicare app from the App Store or Google Play. This app will let you manage your Medicare details and apply directly from your phone. Open the app and sign in using your MyGov account. If you don't have a MyGov account yet, you'll need to create one first at my.gov.au. If your Medicare account isn't linked to MyGov yet, follow the prompts in the app to do so. You may need your Medicare card or identity documents for this step. Once you're logged in and linked, go to Services in the app and tap Enroll in Medicare to start your application. You'll be asked to upload documents such as your passport, visa, or other identity proof. Make sure they are clear and illegible. Double-check your details, then submit the application. You'll get a confirmation once it's successfully launched. Once approved, your Medicare number will appear in the app. A physical card will be mailed to you shortly after.